Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, my name is William, and if you are new here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification so that when we upload the videos, you will be the first person to get them. And if you really need to help us to let the YouTube recognize our channel, you like the video, you comment there, you share also. So that one will make it easy for YouTube to recognize our channel. When YouTube recognize our channel, it shows that this Dinka language is very important. So guys, we have to show the support for our local language. I really appreciate those of you who comment and they like. I appreciate you all. We got your legend. Today we are going to learn 5 short phrases you have to know. These are first is like ma, achol, a book, ma, achol, a book. The term word for ma is my mother. Achol, achol is called a book. A book is the name of a lady in Dinka language. So that means ma, achol, a book, ma, achol, a book. My mother is called a book. Number two, wa achol dut. Wa achol dut. Wa achol dut. Wa mean father, my father. Achol is called dut. Yes, dut is the name of a male in Dinka language. That means wa achol dut. My father is called dut. Number three, nyankai achol Rebecca. Nyankai achol Rebecca. The term word for Nyankai mean my sister. Is like nya ana ka ai. Nya ana ka ai. Nyankai. Achol a sha o la. A sha o la. Achol Rebecca. Ra e ba e ka. Ka a. Rebecca. That means my sister is called Rebecca. Nyankai achol Rebecca. Nyankai achol Rebecca. My sister is called Rebecca. Number four, Wamat. Wamat achol ding. Wamat achol ding. Wamat achol ding. The term word Wamat. Wamat. Wa a ma a ta. Wamat. Wamat mean my brother. Achol Asha Ola. Achol mean is called Deng. Da Enga. This is how we write Deng in Dinka. Da Enga. This is not D, it's called Da. 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 Da Enga. This Nga. Da Enga. Deng. My brother is called Deng. This is how we write Deng. D-E-N-G. Deng. And in Dinka we call it Da Enga. Deng. Wamat Achol Deng. Wamat Achol Deng. My brother is called Deng. Very simple as that. You can put that my brother is called James. Wamat Achol James. Wamat Achol Jacob. Wamat Achol Zakaria. Wamat Achol John. Wamat Achol Matayo. Wamat Achol Malit. Wamat Achol Majak. You can put the name of your brother there. Like my brother is called so and so. Yeah. The other word we have to learn is Tiang dia. Tiang dia Achol Maria. Tiang dia Achol Maria. Tiang dia Achol Maria. The term word Tiang dia mean my wife. My wife. If you are talking here, my wife. Tiang dia. If it is like Tik is ta Ike. Tik mean wife. But now is Tiang dia mean my wife. Achol a sa ola. Achol is called Maria. Yeah. Maria. My wife is called Mary. You can say Tiang dia Achol Rebecca. Tiang dia Achol Asunta. Tiang dia Achol Juliana. Tiang dia Achol Josephina. Tiang dia Achol Amaka. You can put any name there, the name of your wife in Dinka language. So that's how you say it. My wife is called Mary. Let us make another quick recap. Ma Achol a book. Ma Achol a book. My mother is called a book. My mother is called a book. Wa Achol Dut. Wa Achol Dut. Wa Achol Dut. My father is called Dut. My father is called Dut. Nyan Kai Achol Rebecca. Nyan Kai Achol Rebecca. My sister is called Rebecca. My sister is called Rebecca. Wamat Achol Deng. Wamat Achol Deng. Wamat. This wa a ma a ta. Wamat Achol Deng. My brother is called Deng. Tiang dia Achol Maria. Tiang dia Achol Maria. My wife is called Mary. Okay, guys. So this is the end. These five short phrases, if you know them, soon you are going to master Dinka language. So thank you for those of you who are going to watch it. This is a short live that I have done. So if you guys like it like this, tell me in the comment section so that I will be bringing live like short phrases, or I can never read the story going live and read the short story or long story in Dinka language so that all of us can learn. So, and if you have term words or a word in Dinka language, you can also put them in the comment section. I will come and make them as video. So, if the video is helpful for you, please like, comment, share, and let us learn Dinka language together. So, thank you so much. Uh, Remember, on Friday, that's the day we upload the real and long lesson of our Dinka. But within these days, I bring with you uh, short videos or sometimes long videos, the manuscript. So I used to write them, but on Friday, I just type in the PC because Friday I have a lot of time. I type them in PC and then I make the video. Okay, guys. I hope this video is going to help you. Thank you for watching. Bye. It's the end.